Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel and happy Valentine's Day to all, everyone. Today sa ating vlog this week ay eto na, excited na to. Dahil film demo na naman. Ano kaya ang nangyayari sa prediction and kanilang performances? Para sa ating vlog number 15 and episode 50 and title Yes at 15, Comeback is Real. Subscribe na sa YouTube channel at alamin para marami na yung views ko and subscribe. Dapat supportan natin ako Okay? Ito na, here's your vlog. Simulan na nating celebration na ng 17 years na ang Young Achievers. And kung bakit 4 days lang. Kasi walang pasok ng Feb 40 kasi Valentine's Day. Dapat hindi pumasok o walang pasok pag Valentine's. Bakit may pasok? Okay? Dahil ang film demo ay kahapon lang, Feb 30. Okay, ready ka na? Ang temang sasayaw ay ang kanilang routines at kanilang may dumbly, may garter. Yung levels from kinder hanggang sa senior high. From preschool to grade 3 is mga kantang from the 90s hanggang sa bagong millennium. Pag grade 4 to 6, yan yung parang Korean, Asian pop songs. Habang ang grade 7 to 10, yan yung, sa junior high, pwede rin, ay ang Pinoy hits o PM. At ang grade 11-12 is, or senior high school, international artist naman. Kaya, babalikan natin ang highlights at bakit. Let's all watch this. the performances. I think is okay, pero ang praise ko, opening number. Pero, consolation ito. At syempre, lahat ng mga levels, congratulations. Good job, well done. Especially sa mga magulang, mga teachers, at mga administrations, students, and alumni. Ako, alumni ng Young Achiever from 2006 to 2018 as a loyalty awardee. Oo. Kasi, I am a loyalty, Young Achiever since grade 1 pa lang. And congratulations. At sa mga choreographer, congrats, especially my choreographer dati si Kenley Dizon. And the Humes, kasi kasi dati po, gas Humes, pero nahiwalay na. Naging gas stem, at na yon, kasi yung gas, tapos yung pinakakulela, yung stem, magiging gas stem na. And ang Humes, magsolo na, kasi section na to. Hindi na siya halo-halo, Humes na, at saka halong gas stem na. And now, ito na i-announce ang ating winners by the judges. Ano kaya ang na-champion? So, watch this.
The grade 3 student. The winner for the intermediate department, other than Rainbow Junior. Grade 3 and grade 4. Ayaw ko to, hindi ko ng pera. Our champion, baba na kayo dyan from grade 10. The champion is no other than Java Israel. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations on the winner.
Ayan, nakita na yung awarding of the film demo. Dahil, ang preschool level ay consolation prize lang. Sa primary level, ang panalo po, grade 3 ka na. Grade 3 wins. Siyempre, ganda yung grade 3. May hula hoop. Sa intermediate level, grade 4 wins as champion na last year grade 6. Oo. Nanalo po ang grade 4 sa kanilang Asian K-pop performance. May Blackpink, may Kill This Love. Congratulations. Sa junior high, dethroned defended champion ang grade 8 na last year grade 7 ang champ. Grade 8 now dethroned as a champion. At ang grade 10 nanalo. Grade 10 ang champion. Congratulations. Grade 10, good job. And sa senior high, dethroned na naman dahil ang HE ay first runner-up. Pero before that, first runner-up ang grade 7. Last year, na-champion sa intermediate level na yun, sa first runner-up. And congratulations sa grade 10 champion. Sa senior high, dahil dethroned na ang HE kasi, okay naman yung, pero hindi itong kulang, pero good job pa rin. And HE, congratulations, first runner-up, one second runner-up. Ayan, nahiwalay na. Gas stem. And, of course, ang kampiyon sa senior high school film demo, I think is comeback is real. Ang Strand Humes. Dahil sa maganda na performance na Justin Bieber, may Rihanna, may Lady Gaga. Sorry, Jason Derulo. Congratulations, Humes, and especially choreographer Kenley Dizon na hirap, na pupuyat, or mga iba pa mga materials. Congratulations. Sana next year, papatuloy po at suporta ng Young Achievers. Happy anniversary, Young Achiever! Happy 17th founding anniversary. We want to see you next year in like 18 years sa 2021. Congrats! Oras na para sa ating Gabby's Mentions. Sa ating Gabby's Mentions, happy Valentine's Day to all of you, especially sa mga couples, celebrities, at marami pa iba. I think that each other na okay naman ako, and special to my magulang ko, and happy Valentine's Day. The married in 1982, who now 20 years na siya pagiging husband and wife, or mommy and daddy. Okay, maraming salamat. We hope to see you next vlog. Bye-bye!